This is the M87 star black hole, and on the opposite side is the Sagittarius A star black hole. Both appear to look quite similar. In terms of their size, they seem almost identical in this particular image, but the real difference lies in their distance, just like how a plane and a bird can appear the same size to us when viewed in the sky, and if we capture their image simultaneously, they will appear the same size. However, you are aware of how much larger a plane is compared to a bird. Similarly, the narrative of the images of these two black holes is the same. Half a decade ago, the image of this black hole situated in the M87 galaxy astounded everyone. It is extraordinarily vast in its magnitude. When you make a comparison with the Sun, its radius is approximately 26,000 times greater than the radius of the Sun. You would need to line up 26,000 suns consecutively to accurately gauge its size. However, this is simply the event horizon of the black hole. Beyond this boundary, if anything, including light, crosses over, it is incapable of returning. To make a return, it would need to travel at a velocity greater than its own, which is impossible. Consequently, the event horizon of a black hole, or the point of no return, is associated with its true size. On a human scale, where the Sun is as small as a tennis ball and the Sagittarius A star is the size of a room, on this scale, the M87 star would possess a diameter of approximately 2 kilometers, equivalent to a small village. Envision an enormous sphere with a diameter of 2 kilometers situated in your village, encompassing almost the entire area. Merely contemplating this is rather peculiar. By picturing this immense size, your mind can start to grasp the concept of this black hole. In terms of volume, it has the capacity to contain 1/700 billion suns. If it is compared to the largest black hole, namely the Sagittarius A star, this colossal black hole can contain more than 3,700,000 black holes like the Sagittarius A star within itself. This provides you with a comprehension of its vast magnitude. Nonetheless, there exist black holes within our universe that are significantly larger than this particular one. However, all of these are located several billion light years away from our planet Earth. You must have heard the name TUN 618 several times. For many years, it was the largest black hole in the universe. However, this title has now been taken from it. TUN 618 is currently 18 billion light years away from us. It has moved beyond the observational range of all our telescopes. We are currently observing a table similar to it. It is 10 billion 8,000 years in age. This phenomenon occurs as a result of the expansion of the universe. The objects that seem to be light years distant from us today have, in reality, moved significantly further away from our position. Due to the expansion of the universe being faster than light, the distance of objects keeps moving away from us. This is also referred to as moving distance, which actually tells us the real distance of any massive object from us in the universe. Indeed, although TUN Xbaneth has moved permanently beyond our grasp, its colossal magnitude continues to astound scientists in the present day. This black hole, approximately 390 billion kilometers wide, is more massive than 250,000 suns lined up in a row. If you were to measure it using the Earth as a unit, you would need to line up at least 300 million Earths to measure its width, and even then, this black hole would surpass them all. On a human scale, at where we imagine the Sun to be the size of a tennis ball, this enormous black hole would measure approximately 21 kilometers in size, meaning its height and width would both extend up to 21 kilometers. You can comprehend that it could effortlessly encompass the entire city of New Delhi with its immense size. This gives you an understanding of its size.